Hey, this is Lee from Otters SEO. This is the custom video that I promised you. It's going to show you some tips and tricks of how to improve your online presence and hopefully get some more customers in the door, some extra jobs. The first thing I would like to cover is around website content. I've got your website open here, as you can see, and I really like some of your pictures that you have here. Well done on that. And you have a bit of content on here, but it looks like to be less than about 500-600 words of content. So Google recommends that you have between 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, and this is so that when they go out and they index the different websites, they want to extract those keywords that people are searching for, then they need, of course, a lot of content to do that. So the more content you have on your website, on your homepage, the better. So definitely a nice area that you can improve to improve your rankings. If I look at one of your top competitors over here, that is at least top competitor from a Google perspective. They're currently number 1 in Joburg. You can see their website. I prefer yours, to be honest. But they have also not too much content on their homepage, so completely beatable, right? So I think if you increase your content on your website, you'll be in a good position to overtake these guys. The next thing I would like to cover is around the Google search results. So if I come to Google and I put in flooring in Johannesburg, the first thing that we see coming up here is what we call the Google ads. Now, the people listing these ads, they of course paying for it. So every time someone clicks on this link, then the company that placed the ad will actually be paying for that click. So this is very good if you want to get traffic quickly to your website. It's very highly visible, but of course it costs money over the long run. The next thing I want to talk about is around the Google Map listing. And this is great because people are immediately seeing someone's contact details and can actually find them and call them immediately. And statistics actually show that about 40% of traffic actually comes to these first 3 positions that we have here. So a lot of traffic going to these companies over here. So how do you get onto these top 3 positions? Well, you have to increase your number of citations. Now, all that a citation is basically a combination of your name, your physical address, and your website details. Now you can get a bunch of directories like, yellow pages and those kind of things to actually list your company. If you can increase this number of citations, then your chance of getting to these top 3 is much, much higher. Having good Google reviews, of course, very important as well. The next part I want to go through is the organic search results, and this is what Google sees as most relevant to the search term that's actually been typed in. Now, this is very important as well, because statistics show that 29% of people click on the first link that they receive, like your competitor I showed earlier, 15% on the second link, 10% on the third link. It's actually less than 9% of people will go past the first page of Google onto the next pages. So very important to get into these top 3 positions because then you can get all that traffic coming to your website. So the question is, how do you get into those top 3 positions? Well, I'll cover that next. We use a tool called Ahrefs, and what this tool allows us to do is put in a website like your website I have here, and it gives you some numbers, and this is what actually Google sees, right? And this is what they use to rank your website. First number I want to cover is the UR, is your trust index. This is how much Google trusts your website. So you can see Google's not really trusting your website at the moment, so it's something we can improve. And also the DR is your strength index, so how strong is your website in Google's view. And once again, you're sitting at a 0, so something we can definitely improve upon with a couple of key adjustments. Now, to get to the top of those organic search results, you want to have as high quality and also the more numbers of backlinks and referring domains. Now, all that a backlink is when another website is actually pointing to your website. It's basically a shout out from their website to your website. So the more number of backlinks you have from a large number of referring domains, which is basically the websites that are pointing to you, with high quality of backlinks, then you'd also be placing high in those organic search results. So at the moment you have about 70 people finding your website via Google and coming to your websites on a monthly basis, and Google is finding about 85 keywords on your website. Right? Those keywords are the important part because that is what people are actually typing into the Google search and trying to find your website. Now looking at your competitor, you'll see that their trust rating is at a 10, so higher than yours at the moment, and their strength index at a 0.7, also slightly higher than yours, but very beatable, right? Still on the low side, so definitely something that we could beat. Looking at backlinks and referring domains, they got slightly more than you, so more backlinks, more referring domains, And this is one of the main reasons why they're outranking you and getting to that top position. And you can see that reflected in organic traffic. So they're getting about 629 people every month coming to their website. A lot of traffic coming to their website and getting those potential jobs. Now, they also have a lot of organic keywords. So let's take a look at what these keywords are. So this is actually the things that people are searching for when they're typing things into the Google search. And if we look at wood flooring prices, you'll see there's 900 people every month actually looking for the search term, and the majority of this traffic is actually coming to your competitor's website, right? And you can see all these different search terms around it with all the different search results. You can see parquet flooring, floor sanding. So a lot of things I think you'd be interested in. A lot of traffic over here. So just to summarize, if you want to increase your number of content that you have on your homepage to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and that will make it easier for Google to rank your website. If you want to get into the Google Map listing, you want to increase the number of citations that you have to get onto those number of directories. And if you want to get into the top 3 positions of the organic search results, then you want to make sure your backlinks and your referring domains are as high as possible and also high quality. So like I said, this is a free video. You can definitely use these tips and tricks and go and improve your website and hopefully get some more customers. That'd be great. If you want to find out more information, then we are available. You can please just reach out to me. We can set up a very informal chat just to discuss, what you would like to do to improve your website. Either way, I wish you the best. I would really do appreciate just a line of feedback, just to tell me if you found this worthwhile or interesting. I'm trying to help out a couple of local businesses, so your feedback is very important to me. Thank you so much. Have a great day.